What's up? So I just woke up and I just said, listen, it's been so long since I wanted to start my vlog. I'm sorry, it's the way it sounds like this. I don't know. Um, I always wanted to start my vlog and I just don't know what to vlog about. Like, I don't think I'm the only person that goes through that where you want to start something, but it's like you just don't know what to do, how to do it, where to start from, that kind of thing. So I think that's me right now. I just love watching vlogs. Yeah, I just love watching vlogs. Well, mostly interracial vlogs, but still, nevertheless, I just love watching vlogs. And I just always wanted to start my own. I just wanted to just record stuff. My life is not all that interesting like most of the vlogs I watch, but I just, I don't know. I just wanted to start one. I started making videos, natural hair videos, because I did the big shop and all, but I just believe that I want to vlog too. Yeah. But first, I think I should probably introduce myself. I'm Mishka, but you can just call me Mishi. And I'm 22. I'm a Jamaican. I don't travel a lot. I've only been to Germany once, and I spend most of my time since of late in Negril, but I'm originally from Kingston, and I do a little bit of modeling on the side. Yeah, just a little, probably as an hobby. So yeah, I do a little bit of modeling on the side. I will probably post some of my pictures at the end so you can see some of my pictures that I took. And what else? I can't sing, but I love to sing. I don't know if I'm the only person like that. I don't know. I just love to sing. I just love making noise. But yeah, and I can't dance, but I love to dance. Let me show you guys outside. Oh my god. For somebody that's just waking up, this is not cool. So, wow, you can actually almost not see the sea. It's down there, but it's almost white. Probably from the white skies. Because when the sky is blue, then the sea is blue too, I think. So, it's all the way down there, but I don't know why. So yeah, this is outside. And this is Point Village in Negril. It used to be a big hotel, I heard, but now it's just like a villa where people come to stay and relax. I think later I'll carry you guys out on the beach, show you. It's actually right beside hedonism. So yeah, it's right beside Hedo. That's the Naked Beach and Grand Lido. So it's in between Grand Lido and hedonism too. So yeah. But I don't know what to do today. So first I'm gonna just grab my yogurt, number one, and drink some milk after that, and probably just check out some vlogs that I always watch in the morning. I haven't watched Travis and Judith in a while, so yeah. I don't know what Jamie and Nikki are doing so long. She must be busy with school and all, but yeah, I love watching them too. And just check out and see what's going on YouTube. That's my morning routine. So yeah, see you guys later when I bring you guys out on the front.
Can't talk in the zone.
Sir, I just watched the best episode of The Big Bang Theory. Wow. Actually, I don't know why I love this movie so much, but it's just so hilarious. I can't believe that Howard made me cry when he sang a song to Bernadette. And he was so romantic to Leonard. Oh my god. And then it's just so cute. Okay, so it's time I go for a walk. Wow, I just switched to this camera and it is heavy. I don't even know the things that I'm pressing with this. But yeah, time to take you guys on a beach walk. Okay, so this is the rat pool or something like the rock pool. Oh yeah, the rock pool as they call it. And this is the view from right here. Like, how awesome is that? Yeah, actually I've never been out here by myself before. So now I think I'm just gonna have a seat and just place my foot in the water. My tiny little toes in the water at least. Ta-da-da-da, splash, 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 splash.
Oh yes, it's a record. Yeah.
Them have like some tree something that grow over here, so.
Them
something I call morass.
Right, me I look on.
And the fishes them freaky. You can probably fix your bra. So we just took a walk, or at least we are taking a walk on the beach. And I'm exhausted, I swear. Parasailing. Awesome. And see that island down there? That's as far as we're walking from. Oh Jesus. That was pretty far. It's like probably 1.5 or almost 2 miles out. So I am pretty exhausted. I am sweating like a hog. I need to relax. But yeah, how beautiful is that? You know, it's pretty much fun. Oh my god, I am so hot. Next time I need to remember to walk with refreshments. I really do. So I think we have like probably a couple more a couple more meters we're going to walk, and then
that will be it. Yeah, so but yeah, I'm gonna relax a little and then continue my walk. I'm sorry that we couldn't show you guys like some of the hotels because they're pretty awesome, but we're actually not allowed to take any photography. So yeah, but see ya. So I'm wondering if we should stop under that tree where I can just soak my foot. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go over there and relax because I am exhausted. And I think I walked enough for today. This is not good exercise for skinny people at all. So there. How the hell do I get under? I sure hope there's no lizards. Like, I am so afraid of lizards, and I'm just praying that there's no lizards under here to jump on me, because then I'll probably have an art failure. And that thing doesn't sync with me. Like, how cool is right here? Huh? How cool is right here? So, this is where I'm stopping. I'm just gonna stop here and chill. Because this is awesome. So, it's a beautiful view from right here. A very beautiful view from right here. So, have you ever wanted to be in two places at once? Then look at this. This says, welcome to Westmoreland. And this is me in Westmoreland, right? At least, no. This is me now. Oh, I'm going to Westmoreland. Yeah, because if it's on this side saying, welcome to Westmoreland, and I'm on this side, that's mean I'm going to Westmoreland. And on the other side, you have welcome to Hanover. So welcome to Hanover on this side, which means now I'm in Westmoreland, and when I walk a little, which is like between this sign, I'm now in Hanover. So it's like now I'm in two places at once. So if I put one foot here, and one foot there, that means this foot is in Hanover and this foot is in Westmoreland. So there's a sign, and this is me in two places at once. Booyah! Oh my god. So everybody's having a beach day. Crowded. Munch. I don't want to be in that crowd. So yeah, this is as far as I'm going. I'm not going any further. I don't want to be in so much crowd at the beach. All these people. Everybody's having a beach day because it's a holiday. So yeah, I'm gonna relax before I take my other journey back. So it was nice walking. I sure I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video when I'm done editing too.
Like a lover boy and lover girl. It's real. I'm my little corner this, you know. We keep this place clean and nice.
Are you sell them here? Are you make them?
Like
You make them?
the rings them?
Everything?
Not really, but we make some.
Oh, which one you make?
We make a lots of them, you know. All them I want way you believe, you know. I make them, you know. All of them.
Oh.
All the bracelet them.
So how much you sell them for?
Depends by you see through you a Jamaican. Me sell you for Jamaican price.
And like the tourists them?
The tourist, if you are a tourist, you're gonna get it for $5.
Oh. It worth it.
Yes, in that way.
All the shell them too?
No, the shell go for like $1.
So
Like
these
the
are from the
small-
sea?
Like the small one go for $1. And the big one can go for $10 upward. $20.
So these are from the sea?
Yes.
Okay.
And you're from Jamaica?
Yes.
You don't live in Negril?
No.
Where?
Kingston.
Kingston?
Mm-hmm.
I like it more. Yes.
Yeah, red
You
stripe.
know, 7 usual flex up here.
Really?
Yes, man.
So I am back from my little walk and I am exhausted. I am not used to walking so far. Like I do this like probably once every 3 months or so since of late, or once, I don't know, but still I haven't done that in a very long time. And now I'm just exhausted and I need to sleep. So I'm gonna get some sleep and just chill for the rest of the day. So what I'll do is just probably edit some videos or something. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next vlog. Please, I hope I find somebody that actually watches this. Like, I don't know, if you're watching this, let me know. Click the like button, you can comment, you can subscribe. So I don't know, just let me know you're watching this so I don't feel like I'm talking to myself. Thank you. So see you guys, bye.